sorry, the continuous fucked up and
yeah. Welcome.
Now we need to continue.
Sorry, welcome, hello, welcome, sorry.
The boys.
Yeah.
Ah!
I hate Lauren. She's the killer. Spoiler.
Lauren tried to kill me.
Look at Scott's finger.
Did you see how fast I read?
Yeah. She's gonna sleep now. Look. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah, look at that. Fat mage. What the?
You need to see her boobs. I don't wanna.
That was funny.
Is
the only guy whose name was on both lists.
Yeah, it's gonna be the best vision of this backyard.
And we're gonna show you. Sorry. He gets anger problems. Right. Up.
You never give up, do you?
Stay at the TV! There you go. There you do that!
My face. My
My
ass! My beautiful ass!
Oh, I have a beautiful ass. Why did you show me?
Martin Hay.
Martin H.
No, Martin A. Martin N.
N.
No. Jigsaw.
Where is my brother's grave? Show
Martin
it,
H.
Show it, Jacob. Where?
What? She's asking for it.
Grave of a young boy who died about 30 years ago. His name was
John Shep.
I don't know where it is by any chance. The children's graves are in the next plot. Thanks.
Thanks.
Where? Show me Lauren. Where did you go?
I don't know, do you?
Lauren.
Sorry for this video. I'm a best.
Hey, Scott, where are you going? John Shepherd's grave must be somewhere around here.
What the
Did
fuck?
anyone ever tell you shouldn't shout in the cemetery?
Where are you, Lauren?
Easy, the dead don't mind.
Go, Scott. Go, Scott. Run, Scott.
Where are Lauren?
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna upload this video, right?
Children plot. Here.
William gonna kill us because you didn't wanna... No.
Eric. Take care.
Willie or...
Catherine. Scott. Scott Shelby.
Scott is dead.
Jeffrey Thomas.
Jeffrey. Benjamin's ass! You show with your ass! No, I'm just kidding. That guy, help.
Excuse me. I'm looking for the grave of a boy named John Shepherd.
Straight ahead, a little further off.
Thanks.
What the hell did he say?
Straight and a little further off.
I want a name. Jonathan Jackson. I think.
Neville Jason.
Lauren, can you help me? What? John Davis. I think here the grave is this. He said straight ahead. It must be some of these. Here.
Theodore Brown.
I want the name Brown. I mean my
You're racist.
ass is brown.
You're racist. Motherfucker.
There! What the hell?
Yeah! You took our place, you mother peeper. Lauren is a sneaker. She just took her place, right? Right?
That's one hell of a coincidence.
Lauren, you should know that because you're the killer. Lauren, you peep.
These flowers are fresh.
Somewhere of Theodore is here. Theodore.
That one I knew well.
You knew John Shepherd?
Yeah. Yes.
Worked this graveyard nearly all my life.
Flashback. This is the flashback. I am Scott and I'll kill myself. Flashback.
Flashback. Flashback.
Nothing hot the theboyz. Beat it, loser.
Back when your fucking mother comes home from work.
He's drunk again.
What are we gonna do? It's pouring rain. We're gonna get soaked if we spend a day outside.
Well, guess you won't get beat. Little rain never hurt nobody.
Nobody.
Come on, let's go play.
Come on. It's Jason. Show me.
It's Jason's voice!
Yeah.
Hey! Wait! Wait!
Wait. Where's Ethan? You haven't been Ethan in a long while.
Yeah.
Ethan's dead.
Ethan, I think he died.
Yeah.
The doctor.
Yeah, the doctor killed him.
Hey, what you just...
Mom.
Being out in the rain is nothing compared to being in when he's like that.
Hey!
You're epic.
Oh!
Your name? What's your name? Huh?
Scott Shelby. This is Scott Shelby.
No, it's not. It's Lauren. The one that's up is Lauren. The one that's down is Johnny Shepherd. Or something like that.
What the fuck?
You're Lauren, you dork. But she can't catch you.
Well, I don't wanna fall down on these.
Yes, you wanna do, because even if you wanted to. I hate this music, that's why I'm singing it. Hey. You're going zigzag.
It's not too hard.
The next level, it's... You know the next level, when you're Madison and Ethan.
What?
The next level is sex.
Oh. We can't film it.
Because we're gonna get copyright. No. I don't know. What happened if we record the sex?
Oh. Like that it's gonna sound?
Oh.
Hey, wait!
Copyright. No. I know. YouTube says, no, you can't do this because this is... Beep. Move your fucking Lauren.